After a gaming chair has been used for several years, the air pressure rod may have chronic air leaks. In the case of insufficient air pressure, the cylinder will automatically drop when you sit on a chair. Today, I will show you how to replace the cylinder of a gaming chair. First, we need to remove the base of the chair. This is a chair for display, so the screws are not tightened very tightly. To unscrew the socket head screw, a hex key is required. Hex fasteners are common in all sorts of mechanical equipment and devices, including bicycles, motorcycle engines, and assemble-it-yourself furniture. Our chair packages come with an Allen wrench that fits the included hex screws. The base has a total of 4 socket head screws. Loosen the screw. We can easily remove the screw by hand. If the chair has been used for many years, the cylinder and chair legs will become tightly stuck under the pressure of the body weight. It is best to use a rubber hammer to prevent the metal from deforming or peeling paint. Now we need to hold the base and hit the bottom of the gas lift cylinder with a hammer to separate it from the chair legs. This rubber hammer will not deform the metal of the adjuster in any way. You have to hit the bottom of the cylinder harder. Grasp the chair base firmly and knock it hard. Next, we need to separate the seat tilt adjuster from the cylinder. Hit the edge of the adjuster until it falls off. Buy a high-quality cylinder online. These cylinders are generally suitable for all office chairs or gaming chairs. Insert the larger end of the cylinder into the chair base. Do you think you need to hit it with a hammer to tighten it up? Don't do that. The red part on the top of the cylinder is the trigger and cannot be knocked. Just install the adjuster on the top of the cylinder. Next, we install the base of the chair back. Don't tighten the screws at the beginning so that it is convenient for us to adjust the screw hole positions of the 4 screws. Tighten all the screws only after the screw holes are aligned. Okay, the chair is repaired. Enjoy it! Use our weight to make the cylinder get fastened.